Science. I am Deepa Seth. Today I am explaining molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of the elements present in a molecule. For example, water. Water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Therefore, if I want to calculate molecular mass of water, we will multiply 2 into 1, that is atomic mass of hydrogen into 2 plus 16, that is atomic mass of oxygen. In this way we can calculate molecular mass of water. Here it is 2 into 1 plus 16 equal to 18. In this way I can write molecular weight and the unit will be U, unified mass, as we have discussed in case of atomic masses. I can give you some more example here. Let's see, it is sulfuric acid, known as king of chemicals. King of chemicals, H2SO4. So H2SO4 contains 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. Therefore, it is 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16 equal to 98 unified mass. NO2. NO2 contains 1 atom of nitrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen, and we will add them. 14 plus 32 equal to 46U. Carbon dioxide. It is equal to 12 plus 2 into 16, that is equal to 44. Carbon का 12 atomic mass है, oxygen 16. Similarly, glucose C6H12O16 contains 6 atoms of carbon, therefore 6 into 12 plus 12 is into 1 plus 6 into 12 equal to 180. So, in this way we can calculate molecular mass of any compound, but you should remember their molecular formulae. Another way thing which I want to discuss is formula mass in case the compound does not consist of molecules. For example, NaCl. NaCl does not contain molecules, so we calculate its formula mass. Now, the next we will discuss mole and molar mass. मोल एंड मोलर मास. तो मोल क्या चीज़ है, हम पहले इस पे आएंगे. मोल इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस दैट कंटेन एज मैनी particles or entities as there are atoms in an exactly 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. And when we calculated it, we find out that it comes equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It means, how can you calculate it? Actually, by spectroscopic method, we determine the atomic mass of weight of 1 atom of carbon, and that is equal to 9.02 into 10 raised to minus 23. This is the weight of 1 atom of carbon. Therefore, 12 gram weight कितना होगा? It will be equal to 12 upon 9.02 into 10 to the minus 23, and it will come 6.0222 into 10 minus 23, and we call it Avogadro number. This number is denoted by figure Na. Figure Na, Avogadro number. So, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि Avogadro number क्या है. Actually, it is a number which is used to denote माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स। माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स का मतलब जो आपकी आंखों से नहीं दिख सकता, लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन एक्सेट्रा, एंड एटम्स. So if I say 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen means there are present 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atom. And if I say 1 mole of oxygen gas, it means it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen molecule. You have to specify the entity for which you are writing it. For example, if I say dozen, 12 dozen of banana means 1 dozen of banana means 12. If I say 1 dozen of chair means 12 chairs. Similarly, when we say 1 mole, so 1 mole is represent this quantity, which is called Avogadro number, and it is denoted by Na. So what I say, अगर आप चाहते हैं किसी भी चीज़ के नंबर को डिनोट करना, तो हम माइक्रोस्कोपी के लिए यूज़ करते हैं एवोगैड्रो नंबर. और आई कैन से 1 मोल ऑफ एवरी सब्सटेंस, ईच एंड एवरी सब्सटेंस हैज़ 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 entity. Now, अब हम बात करते हैं मोलर मास. What is molar mass? Mass of 1 mole of substance in gram is called its molar mass. For example, if I have want to calculate the molar mass of sulfuric acid. Now here you see H2SO4 and its molecular weight, as we have previously determined, it is 98 gram, and this weight is equal to the weight of 1 mole of sulfuric acid. So you can easily calculate the molar mass of any chemical species. Let's see, for example, अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ water, तो 1 mole of water का वेट कितना होगा? It will be equal to 18 grams. As we know, water molecular weight calculator is 18 gram. Sulfuric acid 98 gram. 1 mole of sulfuric acid weight equal to 98 grams. Similarly, 1 mole of NO2 or carbon dioxide can be determined. Carbon dioxide 44, 1 mole is 12 plus 2 into 16 equal to 44 gram, and that is equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. If I say 1 mole of N2, it means 2 into 14 equal to 28 grams, and so on. You can calculate the molar mass of any species. If I say aluminum, aluminum is element, so its atomic weight is 27 gram, and that is equal to the 1 mole. बस हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है, whether it is a compound then we will have to calculate molecular weight, and if it is a atom then we will write atomic weight. In this way we can determine their molar masses. You can write these molar masses in your notebook. Now, अब तक आप समझ गए होंगे कि इसका मतलब यही है, there are present 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. This will again I can say अगर 18 ग्राम्स का वेट 1 मोल के बराबर है तो इसके अंदर कितने पार्टिकल्स हैं? यस, जस्ट टेल मी, इसके अंदर कितने पार्टिकल्स हैं? यानी कि 18 ग्राम्स 1 मोल, तो आई विल राइट हियर Avogadro number of water molecules, that is 6.022 इक्वल ला दो, मार्कर मास ला दो, इंटू 10 to the power 23 molecules, यानी कि 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water का वेट इक्वल टू कितना है? 18 ग्राम्स. सिमिलरली 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfuric acid का वेट कितना है? 98 ग्राम्स. 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon dioxide molecules, and its weight is equal to 44 grams. And 2, 1 mole comprises 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 nitrogen molecule, and its weight equal to 28 grams. 1 mole of aluminium, it's comprising 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, that is atoms of aluminium, and its weight equal to 27 gram. 1 mole of sodium comprises Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles of or atoms of sodium, and its weight equal to 23 grams. And similarly glucose, 1 mole consists of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 glucose molecule, and its weight equal to 180 gram. अब तक आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा कि 1 मोल का मतलब है 6.022 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 एंटिटी. जब आप उसमें कंपाउंड की बात करेंगे तो हम मॉलिक्यूल्स बोलेंगे, जब हम उसमें एटम की बात करेंगे तो हम आगे एटम यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे 1 डजन चेयर तो 12 चेयर हो जाती हैं, और 1 डजन एग 12 एग्स हो जाते हैं. तो ये चीज़ आपको दिमाग में रखनी है. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज विद इट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी विल सी how to build our relationship, and that we are going to continue in our next topic. Till then, take care of your health. Thank you.